Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm gonna make winter socks from this jacket sleeve. So I will show you guys how to make it and come and join me. So guys, I already made the first pair of my winter socks. It's already made. This one is from the arms, like this. This one from the arms. And this one haven't made yet, so I'm gonna make this one. I will show you guys how to make it. I also have thread and a needle, and again a scissor. So guys, this is how it looks like, and then I'm gonna cut it. I will measure this one here. Sleeve jacket can also make another so many things, not only for winter socks. A lot of things you can make from a jacket sleeve. So now guys, I'm gonna cut it like this shape. I already marked in here. My scissors already, and I'm not sharp anymore. So I'm already got this one here, and I'm gonna sew it from this one. Of course, I have to sew it from the other side. So I'm already done sewing from here. Okay, now I'm gonna make this one. Guys, I'm already done from here, so I'll be sewing it here. I'm doing the edging way of sewing. I'm already done, but not yet fully done. Okay, because I'm gonna put this thing here. See, like this. So guys, I'm gonna put this thing on here.